Morning, dear children. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. I hope you all are fine, safe at your places, and doing well. Yes, join. Are you joining the classes daily and doing your homework on regular basis? Very good. Well done, my dear kids. In previous class, in yesterday's class, we have done subtraction with pictures. Yes, and I hope you all understand that concept. In today's class, we will do the subtraction with number line and backward counting. Okay, so bring out your books, open page number 38 and 39. Here are the subtraction sums with number line and backward counting. So first of all, write the date on your books. Date is 6th of August 2021. So write 6 8 2021. On this page, you can see here are the number lines and here is the sum. First of all, I am giving one example to you how we have to do the subtraction. Suppose here is one line, number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here I have one number line and here see first sum is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. So what we will do here, 5. Where is number 5? Is it? Yes. Minus 3. Now we have to minus 3. We have to take 3 out from 5. We have to, yes, 3 नंबर हमने 5 में से टेकन आउट करने हैं, हमने उनको निकाल लेना है. How we will do? We will do backward counting. We will do back jump on number line. See, at 3 times we will jump 1, 2, 3. Where we reach, हम कहाँ पर आए देखिए 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. अगर 5 में से 3 निकाल दें तो आंसर is 2. The next sum on the book you can see. Here you have to write number 2 in this box. The next is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. Again we will do back jumps here. So first of all I am erasing it. Again we will do the back jumps from 8. कहाँ से start करेंगे? From 8. So 1, 2. Yes, हमने 2 times jump किया. तो हम कहाँ reach किए देखिए. Where we are reaching now? On 6. Here we have number 6 now. So 8 minus 2, 6. 8 में से अगर 2 निकाल देते हैं then we have the answer is 2. So now you have to write number 6 in this box. On next page, page number 39, here are some sums given and we have to do these sums with backward counting. Page number 39, sums with backward counting. The first sum is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Yes, this is the first sum. And second is 9 minus 8. minus 3, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 2, 8 minus 4. These are the all sums I am writing on the board. You have to write the correct answer in your books now. First is 7 minus 2. Backward counting you all knows. Yes. So 7 minus 2. 7 say 2 steps back. We will go and we will got the correct answer. Okay. 7. What comes after 7 in backward counting? 6, 5. How many steps? Only 2 back steps we have to go. 7, then 6, 5. So 7 minus 2 is 5. See, the backward counting is here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. So 7 say 2 steps back. 6, 5. So the answer is 5. Here 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. Now we will go 8 steps back from 9. 9. Now we will count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 step is this. 9, 8. See, 9 and how many steps we have to go back? 8 steps. 9 के बाद 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Next is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. कितने माइनस करने हैं हमने? 3. 6 से back 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. So the answer is 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 4 minus 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 1. Next is 6 minus 2. 6. 6 से back step. 2 back step. 6 before 6. 5, 4. So the answer is 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 4 steps पीछे जाएंगे. 7, 6, 5, 4. 8 minus 4. Answer is 4. You can do it with the backward counting. 8 minus 4. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4 steps back we have to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. I hope you all understand this concept. Yes? Subtraction with number line. Now bring out your notebooks and we will do the subtraction with number lines in notebooks. So here we will make number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You all have to make this type of number line in your notebooks. 5 minus 4. Again, we will make a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And sum is 8 minus 5. Again, a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sum is 7 minus 3. I hope you understand the topic of number lines. Yes, subtraction with number lines you all knows now. So how we will do? Tell me. 5 minus 4. How we will do 5 minus 4? We will start jumping from number 5. हम 5 number से back jump start करेंगे. Okay. In addition, we do the jumps here in this side, and for subtraction we are doing in back side. Okay, we will do back jumps. From 5 minus 4 we will do 4 jumps. So little jumps we have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we reach on number 1. So answer is 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. So we will start from 8 and we will make 5 back jumps from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reach on number 3. So the answer is 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next is 7 minus 3. We will start from 7 and make back jump. 3 back jumps. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 back jumps. Yes, and we reach on number 4. So the answer is 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. I hope you all are doing in the notebook. Yes. Now ma'am will give you sums, same kind of sums, and you have to do these sums in your homework today. Okay. After doing your homework, click the pictures and send it to ma'am. So note down the sums. Now I am giving sums for homework. 8 minus 6. 3 minus 2. 9 minus 5. 7 minus 2. And 5 minus 3. These 5 sums you have to do in your homework with number line. You have to make number line for each sum, and after then you have to do the back jumps and get the answers. Okay. Now my dear students, we will meet in our next class. I hope you all understand the topic and enjoying the class. Bye bye. We will meet in our next class now. Bye bye.